Hey, how's it going? This is 4wdHippy doing a review on some Deuces Wild foams from Crawler Innovations. And well, everybody knows about the Pitbull tires, Pitbull Rock Beasts, so I don't need to do much review on those, but I'll show you a little bit about them. So the foams, if you have a stock axial rig, you're probably used to real light foams like this, which it's pretty nice if your rig only weighs 3 pounds when it comes out of the box with no battery. But once you put some weight on it, put some metal, get things weighted up, and you get your batteries in there, these foams really don't start lasting. They start falling apart pretty fast. And you get some water in there, and they're tore up real fast. So here's my 1.9 axial rip saw, and pretty soft. Just all the foams in the inside there. A lot of problems I'm having is now that the foams are breaking down and my truck weighs 7 pounds or so, I'm getting a lot of tire roll here off the side, and it's causing me to roll over when I'm on hillsides. So having these new foams should fix that. Okay, so the Pitbull Rock Beasts, they do come with a nice 2-stage foam. It's memory foam again, so it's going to have the same problem. It's going to break down fast, it's going to hold water, it's going to mold. It's not really going to give much of a cushioning. So what I'll probably do is just toss those into the rip saws and call that a day. Maybe I'll seal these up, and I don't know yet really. Still messing with that. Real nice compound. As you can see, they're extremely sticky. Look at this. It barely wants to let go. So these tires got a nice tread, you can see there. Fairly wide. A lot wider than these rip saws. A lot more grip area. And a much more scale realistic tire. Well, we all know Pitbull makes real tires, so that kills it. Alright, so foams. Here's our foams, our Deuces Wild 1.9 Rock Beast foams. It's a hard closed cell foam. Quite tough. It has this comp cut in here, which allows your treads to sink in and get good grip. Still gives a little bit of flex even though these are still really stiff. Okay. So here's it mounted inside the Rock Beast. It really fills out the tire nicely. Even without the rim you can really see the difference. It's nice. Dense foam. I hear that a few weeks of running these and this foam softens up a bunch, and then you get a nice traction with them. They're going to be a little bit stiff when you first put them in, but they're always like that. Alright, so we'll get these on the rig. I'm going to be putting on some RC 4-wheel drive Pro 10 chrome rims. Those should look pretty scale. And we'll probably do a video on how those mount on that and see if those work good with those. I have them in the mail already, so we'll see. And then we'll get a drive review on these foams and these wheels, I guess, as well. Alright, thank you. Here's the rims I'm going with. They're by RC 4-wheel drive. They're the Pro 10s in chrome. And then I also went with plus 6mm offset. Put those wheels out a little bit more. Cool sticker. Alright, let's put these on. Here's the tires mounted on the Pro 10 by RC 4-wheel drive. Not too bad. I was going to record the whole beating process, but that was my first time and it was a pain in the ass. It's alright, we'll get these on the trail and see how they do.
Nice.
I got it stuck and I punched it right there and I went over.
That's what happens when you got grape juice in the process.
Yeah, I know. I might have to winch up that.